Spatial Wallpaper not working. Let's fix it. First, Software Update. Go to the Settings app and click on General. After that, click on the Software Update and make sure you are up to date with the latest iOS 26 version. Second, enable Photos for Spatial Scene. Go back to the same settings and scroll down to Apps. Find Photos and look for Control for creating spatial photos and toggle on. Third, Low Power Mode check. If that doesn't fix it, go back to the Settings app and click on Battery. Scroll down and select Power Mode and turn off Low Power Mode. Fourth, Motion check. In the Settings app, click on the Accessibility and tap on the motion and toggle off Reduce Motion. Spatial wallpapers rely on those motion effects to create depth. Maximum, you can fix it by here. Fifth, Restart. Still stuck? Try a restart. Ask Apple Intelligence to restart and confirm it to restart. Last, Apple support. If none of that helps, go to Settings and choose General. Scroll down and select Transfer or Reset iPhone and tap Reset. Pop-up will appear and choose Reset All Settings. Once again, confirm to reset the settings. And if even that doesn't solve it, the issue might be deeper. In that case, contact Apple support for further help, and that's it.